Hello guys. So welcome to this training, and today I'm gonna show you an overview of Clickfunnels. Basically, what you're gonna find inside this platform and all the different sections that it has. So right now, this is the dashboard. Basically, here you're gonna see general stats of your funnels, of your sales. If you're running e-commerce store, or depending on the funnel that you are running. Just basically general statistics. Now, of course, when you're getting started using a new program, you always need to get familiar with it. And I always like programs that have a lot of documentation I can go for depending of the problem that I'm going through. Maybe I don't know how to put an integration here in ClickFunnels, a payment integration. I want to receive payments. I don't know how to do it, or I don't know how to set up my domain name, or I don't know how to change my billings, things like that. You can always find a lot of documentation here. So I'm gonna show you here in the help. In this center, you have a lot of documents that you can use. And I really like because it have all the documents separate in sections. For instance, if you are struggling with topics related of getting started, you can go here with your account, with the different other programs that ClickFunnels has. If you want to create a custom domains, membership funnels, taking payments, email services, all these kind of stuff are important. Let's say that you want to go and you want to learn how to set up a payment gateway, right? You can go to taking payments and you have different topics. Integration with payment gateways, create a one-time product for your payment gateway, create a subscription product, and several other stuff, right? And ClickBank, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you have all these things here. JBSU, it has all the documentation you need to set up your different tools. Now, integration payment gateway. You can go here and you're gonna find a lot of documents here. How you can set up Stripe, PayPal, and all these different software that you can use to collect payments. Yeah, you have all these guys, and this is something really useful. Now, you might find sometimes that you won't find a documentation related to maybe a problem that you're going through right now. For instance, I was having a problem recently with my GetResponse, that is my email marketing provider. I was having a problem with the integration. It wasn't collecting the leads that I was bringing into my sales funnel. So I start a conversation with one of the ClickFunnels support. So I start my request here and they answer me really fast. Like in 2 hours, I was in a conversation with one of the support staff, and they fix the problem right away. So this is something useful, extremely important when you choose, and not just this software, but any type of software that you want to use for your business. Make sure that they have a good support, because trust me, you're gonna need it at some point. And something also gonna show you is the account settings. So here in account settings, you have basic stuff like your company name, your profile, your address, subdomains. Subdomains are basically, let's say that when you don't have a domain name, you can put something else using a ClickFunnels domain. For instance, let's say that you are a dog trainer. So you can put something like dog training clickfunnels.com and you can use that domain. But of course, guys, I don't recommend you to use that. If you are serious with your business, go ahead, purchase a domain and set up your domain here in ClickFunnels. Okay, I'm gonna show you where you can do that later. And time zones, affiliate settings. Right now, I'm not using any of this, but you have all these options available. Your billing informations, your users. If you have multiple people working here in this account, you can see all this user here, your billing information, notifications, where basically here you want to receive a notification is an integration is not working for you, if a landing page has some kind of problem, just basically notifications. The account history is where you're gonna see all your different changes you have done in your sales funnels, basically to keep track of what you have done in this account. Page templates. This is something I really like, guys, because I can create a template, and if I want to create another funnel, another page, I just basically import that template into that funnel, and simple as that, I have my page created. This allow you to build your funnels and your pages a lot faster. Digital assets, where digital assets, as far as I can notice, I upload my favicon logo, like here in ClickFunnels you see they have the logo here, so I put my own logo and it's stored here in digital assets. Integrations. Something I love about ClickFunnels is that you can have a lot of programs that they have available the integration with ClickFunnels. As you can see, this is my integration get response, and you have a bunch of programs that you can integrate with ClickFunnels. And this is super useful because ClickFunnels is so popular that almost all different tools that you can use in your business, they have an option to integrate with ClickFunnels, which this is something awesome. Okay, so you can search around here and choose the integration you want to use. As you can see, there are several ones, so I'm probably sure that the one that I'm using it have an integration here. So go ahead, check it out. The payment getaways is just basically the tool that you're going to use to start collecting payments. So you just can go here and you can choose the integration that you want. Stripe, I normally use a Stripe, but you have other ones, PayPal, and all of these one. Email integration. So ClickFunnels has its own email marketing software. Of course, if you want to use this one, you need to upgrade to the Platinum plan, which is $297 a month. So I'm not using this one because I already have my email marketing software that is GetResponse. I like it. I stick with that. I haven't used this one, but if you want to try it, you are free to go. Um, Domains. So here you can add your domains. As I mentioned before, I recommend you to go and get your own domain name and add it here. With the basic plan, that is the $97 a month plan, you are allowed to have up to 3 domain names. Okay, it's super simple to add a domain. You can go to the documents and you can see how you can add it to your account. And global unsubscribers is just basically to see the people that have unsubscribed from your funnel. So these are the account settings. Now I'm gonna show you about Backpack. I don't normally hang out here because Backpack it is for you if you want to create an affiliate program for your business. Okay, so this is super good if you don't want to deal with all the marketing strategies, all these things. You can just have a affiliate program where people gonna bring you the customer, they're gonna do all the marketing for you, and when you get a sale you have to give that person a commission. It can be 50%, 20%, whatever you decide, but in order to get this you need to upgrade to the platinum plan. Okay, now the follow-up funnels. Well, follow-up funnel just basically works hand in hand with the email integrations that is owned by GetResponse, and of course you need to upgrade to the platinum plant. But these just are advanced features that you need to take in mind. It really depends on what type of business you are doing, on what type of size of business you have, and what you really need. ClickFunnels have become a pretty complete program, but of course you need to try it and see if it works for you. But yeah, you have this option here. I normally hang out here in these ClickFunnels. You can build funnel from scratch. You can go to the funnel marketplace, and in this section you can buy funnels. And actually these funnels are already tested. They are here because they are proven to be converting. So if you want to get one of my funnels, you can go here and search for the one that you're looking for. You can see webinar funnels, two-step, three-wire funnels. There are different type of funnel, right? Um, Templates, and here you can see the categories. Some of them are free, but of course the ones that are paid is because they are high converting. So you can go and check it out. But anyways, I also want to give you some of my proven funnels that you want to get for free if you subscribe to the 14 days free trial. Now, it's gonna go back. You also have sales. You can see here if you are doing e-commerce, right? If you are creating a funnels, you can see the sales stats and all that. Um, your contacts, if you're collecting leads, you wanna see your leads here in this contact section. And of course, funnels, you wanna see all your funnels here. So let's take a look to one of the funnels. Let's go to this one. And as you can see, everything is nicely organized. The opt-in page, the thank you page, the lessons, and you can see them. If you click here, you can go and open a new tab, and you're gonna be able to see that, right? So, and also you can edit each funnels separate. Now, let's say that you want to put a domain name here. So you're gonna go to settings and you wanna choose your domain name. So you can see this is the ones that I have, but let's say that you have a funnel for financial training. You can have your domain name here. So you can add the domain you want to that specific funnel. Okay, this is something really nice. And let's go back here. And let's say that you want to edit this step. You can click here. We want to open this in a new tab and edit page. I want to close this. And here you want to be able to edit this step. And something really useful is that this page builder is just drag and drop. You don't have to deal with any coding, anything like that, okay? Super simple to use. So as you can see here, the big section that are the green ones are the sections here. Now the rows are these blue ones. You can see here, these are the rows. Now the columns are the ones that are inside the rows. This is a one row with two columns, right? And this is one row, one row. And this orange are the elements. Elements are just basically the small things that you can add, for example, the headline, the subheadline, bullet list, image. You can see the text, the media. Here is categorized. You can choose the element that you want. Let's say that you want to add a countdown. You can add that one here, and you have a countdown timer. It's super easy to edit everything. Now let's say here the big section. So we want to click settings, and as you can see, the background I have is this image. The position, the size, the colors, the margins, all that you can edit it here. Super easy to use this drag and drop. And yeah, guys, you can change whatever you want. Let's say that you want to change this element. Let's say like test, funnel, something like that. You can do this however you want. And let's say that you want to choose the font size, make it smaller. Say what's like that. And the text color is white, but bold colors, all that you can edit it here. Let's erase this. Okay, you have a mobile version. You can see how it looks in mobile. It's super mobile friendly ClickFunnels. You can connect apps. I never use this, but you have this option. Settings, you have integrations. Remember that maybe you want to add this to your email marketing provider. That is basically what you're gonna use it for, because here you're gonna be collecting the leads. You can select the integration, you can select the program and the campaigns and choose your campaigns. Okay, super simple to do that. The SEO tracking code, you want to add your Facebook pixel code, you add that here. Okay, and custom CSS. If you can use this, go ahead. I don't know anything about CSS. The background, you can change it here as well. Typography and just general settings, like I never use this honestly, but if you want to save all this page as a template, you can click here and save it. So the pop-up here, because people click here, you have the option to set up an action. So it can be, in this case, is the pop-up. You wanna show a pop-up, or you can send them directly to the next stage on here, submit order, and or you can send it to the Facebook opt-in or to another website. You have different options here you can choose from, but in this case we have the pop-up. So we want to show the pop-up here, and this is the pop-up, and you can edit this just like I showed you before with the same elements, sections, row, all that. Okay, super simple to do it. Now, basically that's it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you, a little quick overview of ClickFunnels. I hope that you find it helpful and that you truly understand how powerful ClickFunnels is. And remember, you can get this template and other too by just signing up to the 14-day free trial with my link that is below. Go ahead, test it. At the end of the day, you need to try it and see if it's ideal for you and your business. So without further ado, guys, thanks for watching this video, and feel free to comment below if you have any question, any doubt. See you in the next video.